down in Grand Bay, Westfield. It is Friday, it's about 28 degrees. Solo camping. It's hot. Got some steak tonight for supper. Everything's going to be on the fire, no stoves or nothing like that. It's going to be pretty fancy. I have about 3 or maybe 4 different potential campsites. I did a little map recce, kind of plotted them on the GPS. I'm going to check each of them out. And then after that, I'll just pick the best one. It's not the best spot. I mean, it's a nice spot up here. The water's a little low. Hoping for something a little better. Pretty sweet trail. A roller coaster ride. Stumbled across this beautiful spot here. I'm on an island here. It's a mini island attached to that little island, and then you can drive across there and that's the main land. The water's low enough you can drive over here. There's a campsite already. Never been here before, but yeah, it's already kind of set up. I just gotta start a fire. I got this new knife. It's called Morakniv. Anyway, this has been around for a few years. It's nothing new. You can search it on YouTube. There's lots of videos. Anyway, I just picked it up. It's got a plastic sheath on it. It's a fixed blade. Rubber handle. Nice grip. There's a 4-inch blade on it. This one's carbon steel. I did a little mod to it. I found it online. Because the spine on these is a bit rounded, I can't use my fire striker because it just rolls off. So what I did is from here back to here, I grinded this down so it's got a nice 90-degree sharp edge on it. This is nicer to hold when you're striking than this little piece of metal that comes with it. This works, but this is a lot nicer. So like I said, from here to here, it's a 90-degree bend and makes striking this a lot nicer. So also use this for battening. That's for splitting up small pieces of wood so you can get some nice kindling out of it. So I'm going to try that and see how that goes. I think I found a bit of fat wood in this knot right here. Anyway, I just feathered this stick, jammed a couple pieces in there, and then I'll try some butch bark too and see how that works, and get this fire started and get some supper on the go before that sun goes down. Alright, just gonna get a little bit of supper prepped here. Nothing like a good meal after a hard day riding. Spent hours looking for a good site, and at the end of the day I found this one, so it's pretty good. Keep a fire going and doing this is some some maneuvering to it, I'll tell you. Problem is I'm on this little island where it's pretty picked through for sticks, so I'm kind of only using what's here, which isn't very much. Most of it's green. It's not ideal. Oh buddy, smelling good. Hopefully this gets done, and then the fire should have some good coals. I'll put the steak on it, and then be good to go. A little butter in it. Right on the grill. Probably a little shook up from today. It's good. Actually, that's really good. Alright, here it is. Let's try her out. Grade A grilling steak. It's not the thickest one, but it's all they had there, so. Perfect. Right over the fire. Oh yeah, it's excellent. Got her all cooked up. Just gonna sit here, eat this up, enjoy it, get the fire going again. It's starting to go out. Well, it's 9 o'clock. Just finished setting up my hammock again. Didn't video it this time, but same as last time. Got the little shelter there. Got everything set up inside. Glow stick. Beautiful on the lake tonight. There's the hawk. Eagle. just swoop down, catch a fish or something. I think he missed though. That was a bald eagle. Now there's another one coming. Well, I got another beer here to try. This one's Switchback. Picked it up because it has a dude in the woods camping or hiking. Figured kind of goes hand in hand with what I'm doing. Okay, give her a shot here and cheers. Yeah, it's a good one. Caught a firefly. See if I can get him to glow. I'm just giving her now. Well, it's about 12:30. It's that time again. The old hay. Fire's just about out there. There's a couple coals left. It's down by the water, so it's all right. So there's the old shelter. And yeah, see ya in the morning. Well, I made it through the night. I got to bed late last night, but sun's coming up. Time to get a fire going here soon. Sun's just coming over the trees there. I was just going to get some firewood. Get that started. Get some coffee on the go and some oats, I think. The eagles are over there somewhere just going at something. Keep squawking. There he goes. Well, I just went out and collected some water in that smart water bottle. That smart water bottle happens to fit nicely on the Sawyer Mini. And yeah, so that's the lake water. Put that on there. Squeeze it out to my other bottle. And then, yeah, I got filtered water. Because I'm running low. So just pop the top here. And you squeeze back through the bottle, through the filter. And you get clean filtered water. You can still boil it if you want, but this is drinkable just like this. Doesn't take much fire to boil some water. Coffee is ready. A woodpecker there having breakfast. See how close I can get to him. Not very close. No fishies for me. Not today, anyway. Well, fire's out, camp's tore down, ready to hit the trail, head back, and that'll wrap this
adventure up. The eagle over there, look, you'll never see it on this video, but that little, it's not an island I don't think, oh it might be a little one, but he's up in that tree, man. He's been there all morning. I can see the white of his head. He's just constantly squawking. It's cool though. So this is a weird, the tide, sorry, it's not even tide, the lake is rising since yesterday. It's very weird. It's a lake, so I don't know. So anyway, if you like these videos, click on the like, subscribe, click that bell icon if you want to see more, and see you guys on the next one. Peace.